The Black Friday deals are live right now on Amazon. I'm gonna show you the top deals you need to pick up. Now I want to show you how you can get to the links in today's video. I'm going to put them all in the description box. There's going to be an arrow right here. If you click on that arrow, it's going to drop down the description box and each and every product is going to be linked for you. I'm also going to place them in the comments section of today's video. And if you're watching on your TV, you can scan this QR code right here and it's going to take you to all the deals. The Black Friday deals officially start today, so you can start shopping now. This electric warming mat is a must-have. It'll keep your food warm for up to 5 hours. It has multiple heat settings and you can set a timer to auto shut off. It rolls up and stores very compactly. This is perfect for the upcoming holiday season. The Awala is the it water bottle right now. My kids take it to school every day. I found this kid's tumbler super cute and it comes in a bunch of colors. If you have any readers in your life, consider getting the Kindle Paperwhite. You can read in direct sunlight or late at night with the no glare screen. I have to show you my favorite house shoes. I'm wearing these right now, you guys. They are perfect for wearing around your house. I picked them up during the deals day in October. They're available again today for Black Friday. You're not gonna be disappointed with these. If you have anybody on your list asking for wireless headphones, they probably want the Beats because they are the most popular right now. These are great. They have a 40-hour battery life and they're fast charging. Let's make a holiday charcuterie. I love that this bamboo tray comes with a lid, perfect for storing in my fridge or for traveling. My new favorite tech gadget is this iWalk portable charger and it's on deal. You don't need a big portable charger with a long cord. This little guy plugs directly into your phone. Not only can I walk around with my phone charging, but it also fits in the back of my purse. I spotted this bowl set on deal. I thought it would make a great Christmas gift for anyone on your list, and I love all the colors that it comes in. If you know anyone who loves UGG shoes or UGG slippers or the UGG boots, they're probably going to enjoy this UGG blanket that's on deal. It's super soft and cozy. If you're wanting a discreet fitness tracker, the Aura Ring is a great option. It's a ring that you wear that tracks so much. It will track your heart rate, your sleep, and your steps. And it has a 5 to 7 day battery life. Black Friday is always a great time to pick up Legos. I spotted this Lego tree that would be really fun to put together for the holidays. Over the summer, people were buying these bog bags like crazy. They were using them as swim bags. I also saw a lot of people use them as sport bags. When I saw these on deal for Black Friday, I wanted to bring them to your attention because I know they're so popular and you might have someone on your list that wants one. If you go to a lot of sporting events or outdoor events, you may want to consider this portable chair because a lot of times you don't have room for a lot of the big chairs. This one's very compact and I can carry it around really easily. I'm doing a holiday gift giveaway on Liz Fenwick Deals Facebook group and Liz Fenwick Deals Instagram. I will link both of the accounts in the description box and I'll put the QR codes right here. Here's the Facebook and here's the Instagram. Make sure you follow me to learn how to enter and stay up to date on all the latest deals. This next item is a gift that both of my girls have asked me for. It is a pomade that's a perfect stocking stuffer. You can use it to help with slick back ponytails. I also like to use it at the top of my hair here for all the little fine hairs that stick up. The Laneige gift set is back again this year and it's always such a popular gift set. You're gonna get 5 different scents. Now these are quite a bit smaller than the full-size Laneige, but if you wanna try out some of the different varieties, I think this is a good gift set option. If you're a fan of the Hemp's lotion, I found this cute little item that would be perfect for a stocking stuffer. You get 2 different lotion scents, the crushed peppermint sugar and the toasted vanilla caramel. If you have a Stanley on your Christmas list this year, let me show you the ones that are currently on deal. And remember, I will link to all these products down below in the description box. You can pick up the Stanley Ice Flow water bottle with the flip straw. You could also get the Stanley 34-ounce slim bottle. For my coffee drinkers, you could get the Stanley camp mug or an insulated food jar that would be perfect for packing lunch. I also spotted some new items, this Stanley French press and a Stanley pitcher. If you want to get the softest, coziest sweater, this white one is one of my favorites. It goes really well with jeans, or you could also probably wear it with leggings, and the white is such a fresh, pretty color. I found this Van Cleef dupe bracelet on Amazon's website in a pack of 3. And I know this style is really popular right now with the teens and tweens. My daughter loves this. This would be a great stocking stuffer. If you're having trouble charging your phone wirelessly, you may want to consider getting one of these magnetic phone cases. I recently picked this up and it's been a game changer. It works really well and always charges my phone every night. I found this new shoe cleaner on deal for Black Friday, and I'm always up for trying new shoe cleaning products, so let's try it out and see if it works. Here's how my shoe's looking right now. I'm really gonna concentrate on cleaning the soles. I added some water to the brush. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of the cleaner. All right, let's start scrubbing. The directions say just to wipe it off and see what it looks like. It's definitely pretty clean, but I want to scrub on it some more and see if I can remove some more of these marks. It's a definite improvement and I really like the brush that comes with it. If you want to make your bathroom feel like a spa, this towel warmer would be so nice to have. It will fit up to 2 towels and it heats up within 10 minutes. Here's an Amazon teen gift. The Sprocket is a small photo printer that connects to your phone. Print any photo from your camera roll and it prints on 2x3 paper. I've used this several times in my crafts to make ornaments. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Black Friday. These Hanes men's hoodies are so affordable right now and they come in so many colors. My husband loves these. Every Christmas I'll pick him up a few of these and they're fairly lightweight, so if you have somebody that doesn't like a really thick sweatshirt, this is a good option. I spotted the name brand Carhartt hoodies for Black Friday and I wanted to show you guys because I know they're really popular. They have a couple of styles available right now in a wide range of sizes. During the winter, my husband primarily wears these fleece sweatpants non-stop. I found them in a 3-pack and I thought they were worth picking up for Christmas. I spotted this textured gray men's quarter zip and I thought it looked really nice. I think my favorite color was the dark gray, but you could get other colors as well. My favorite 40-ounce water bottle is back on sale. This is a 40-ounce tumbler. It's by the brand Simple Modern. It's very comparable to a Stanley, but it's cheaper. I would say the feature that sets it apart is the leak-proof straw. This is the time of year you need to stock up on the Dawn Power Wash. I love that you can get it with all the refills. I use this all year round to clean my countertops and pretty much all over my house. Don't forget that during Black Friday, it's important to also stock up on some of your favorite food staples. We spotted this pack of Prime on deal. It's a good time to pick up your tech gifts. If you're upgrading your kids' or grandkids' iPads, they're on deal. If you have long hair like I do, or you're gifting for anyone with long hair, I really want to recommend these long barrel curling irons. They're by the brand Bionic. The first one I picked up is the 1-inch one, and this is what I use to get a really tight curl look. I will put a picture right here of what I look like with these curls. These curls will last me for several days, and all of my hair can fit around this barrel, so it just gives me more of an even curl. Now, since I love this so much, I went ahead and got the 1.5-inch long barrel curling iron, and that's what I use on days like this when I want really like a loose curl. I just love both of these and I recommend them for anyone with long hair. During Black Friday, it's kind of my beauty stock up time, so I will go through and repurchase the majority of my skincare because it's on deal. I also love to repurchase my hair products. I will be buying this Kenra hairspray. It does a great job of holding my curls throughout the day and it's pretty lightweight. If anyone on your list is asking for the Sol de Janeiro, you can buy it for Black Friday on deal. It comes in several different varieties. You can get the spray. That's probably the most popular item they sell. They also have a body cream, or you can pick it up if someone's trying it for the first time in a gift set. During the deal sale in October, I showed you the Touchland Glow Mist hand sanitizer. Well, they have it back on deal. So if you have anyone asking for it and you want to use it for a stocking stuffer, you can pick it up at a cheaper price right now. If you love knowing what's on deal for Black Friday, you really need to be following me on my socials because we're gonna be posting hourly updates of the best deals. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and follow us at Liz Fenwick Deals Facebook group. Here's the QR code to join the Facebook group. This is a great community and all the best coupon codes and deals will be posted here. Now, if you're on Instagram, you wanna follow us at Liz Fenwick Deals. I'll put the QR code right here. We're gonna be posting all the Black Friday deals on our stories. The Wicked movie just came out, and if you have anyone in your life who loves it, you may want to consider getting them the Wicked themed Monopoly game. We love playing board games at my house, and one of my all-time favorite games is Guess Who. This is so fun to play, and it's on deal right now. Let me know, are you guys still into Crocs? My girls wear them all the time, so if you're needing a new pair, they're on deal. You probably heard me talk about my essential oil diffuser and the essential oils that I've been loving. They come in 2 different styles. I have the fall one and I have the winter one, but I just saw that they also have a Christmas pack with all of your favorite scents for the holidays. If you use the CeraVe cleanser, now's a good time to stock up because it is on discount today. I know a lot of you love the Philosophy body wash, especially in this amazing gray scent. It's on deal today if you're looking to stock up. If you've seen in my pantry, you know how much I love my ice maker. It's such a treat to have this pellet ice every day. If you're looking for an amazing gift, I think anyone would love this. There's so many ways you can decorate around your house with vintage bells. I'm gonna link to 2 options that I found on Amazon that would be perfect to decorate with. I did one DIY this year where I put them in my pantry using a tension rod. These are also great to put on your staircase or your mantle. Remember 20 years ago when we were using these digital cameras? Well, they are coming back in style. The teens are loving to carry these around and take pictures with them. When I was looking through the Black Friday deals, I spotted this blanket. It went immediately in my cart. I'm gonna be buying this for my couch. I love the neutral color and the pattern. Have you tried Pipsqueak's washable markers? They come in this very compact case. They're cute little miniature markers, and they even come with paper in the case. For my crafting friends, if you've been considering picking up a heat press, the HDV Ront heat press is on deal. I've had this now a year, maybe 2 years, and it is nice. I use it for all my heat transfer projects. I guarantee you will not be disappointed with this heat press. If you're gonna be having guests stay with you over the next few months and you need to change out your pillows, consider getting these Beckham Hotel pillows. They are a #1 bestseller on Amazon and the pillows that I have throughout my entire house. I've been talking about how much I love the Ninja Creami all year, and it's on deal right now. Now, if you've never used the Ninja Creami, it's essentially a way that you can have healthy ice cream at home every night. You make up your own Ninja Creami with either protein shakes. I like to use the Fairlife chocolate. It's really good. And you just freeze it for 24 hours. Then you run it through your machine on a light setting. And I'm telling you, when it comes out, it's the consistency of a Wendy's Frosty. I absolutely love it and recommend it to anyone. If I could recommend one great gift for you, it would be the candle warmer. I have loved having this year. If you're not familiar with a candle warmer, essentially it's an LED light that goes into a lampshade. You can turn it on and off, and once you turn it on, you can place any candle underneath the candle warmer. It's gonna heat up the wax in your candle and just fill up your room with this amazing smell. Once you turn the light off, your candle is going to harden again, so it's not going to burn down your candle, so your candle's gonna last so much longer. The newest version of the Ring doorbell is out right now, and I've had mine for several years, so I'm really considering upgrading right now. Last year, I bought 3 of this next item for Christmas. It's my electronic organizer. It's perfect for anyone who travels. It's a small item that you can put all of your chargers in as well as your batteries. It stores them really compactly and doesn't take up a lot of room. A month ago, I got the Roborock vacuum and I am so impressed. Not only does the Roborock vacuum your floors, it also will mop your floors. It has a great technology that anytime it goes up to a rug, it will detect the rug and switch from mopping to vacuuming. You can set a schedule in your phone to vacuum and mop your entire house. And just remember, if you're looking for anything in the video, I'm gonna link it for you down in the description box. Or you can scan this QR code right here if you're watching me on your TV. The Color Wonder is the perfect gift for your kids to paint mess-free. The paint is only revealed on the Color Wonder coloring book. You don't have to worry about it getting on skin, clothing, or furniture. Don't forget your pets this holiday season. Moose absolutely loves his water fountain. It's perfect for cats or dogs. The Dash egg cooker is back on deal for Black Friday. I love using it to hard-boil eggs. It has a one-touch button on the front, and you can use it to cook eggs in a variety of ways, and you don't have to turn on your stove. Let me know down in the comments which items you're gonna be picking up for Black Friday, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.